G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I've got this dual purpose 2-in-1 LED camping lantern and power bank. If you happen to like what you see after this review, be sure to check the link below in the description. It has 5 light modes here. You got low, medium, high, strobe light and SOS. Just in case for emergency situations, you might want to use that SOS beacon if you're out in the great outdoors. It is waterproof. It's got a waterproof rating of IP65, which is a fairly high rating, I think. So you'll have no worries with this working in the terrible weather, such as a rainy day. It's got 100 hours of running time. It runs on 5 volt, 2.1 rather, amp output. It can charge up to 90% of portable devices via the USB. It's pretty lightweight, only weighs 190 grams. It's got a rating here for fire resistance as well. Wow, that's pretty impressive. 94-VO. 5 LED modes, and the light is a 4 watt 200 lumens LED light. And on the back here, it's got a quick start guide on all the different push button functions of the power button and how to use the actual battery indicator. It's got a pretty strong built-in magnet too, so you can use this whether you want to repair your vehicle, maybe you break down somewhere in the middle of the night. You can attach this to your car underneath the hood and use it as a light to work on your car. So that's another good feature of this particular product. So I'll open it up and we'll have a quick look at what we get. It's a pretty cool looking power bank and camping light. Here it is here. It's got the information on the top. It's got a 5,200 milliamp hour 3.7 volt lithium ion built in, and when this is totally flat, it takes about 3 hours to charge it. Once this goes flat, you just charge this with a micro USB cord. On the side, you've got this output plug-in for your devices to start charging your devices with the power bank, and on this side you've got the input plug for the micro USB to charge the power bank and searchlight. So yeah, it seems like a very good quality construction. It's made of pretty hard plastic, so I would say this would be shock proof as well if you dropped it accidentally. I don't think it's going to break in a hurry. It doesn't seem cheap and nasty. You've got this little hook here, hanging hook, so you just press that tab in and you can hook it onto anything that you want to. This is made for tents and camping, so obviously you can hang it from a tent. So on the top here you have the main power button. Just press that quickly once, and as you can see, you've got the 4 blue LEDs, indicator icon to show you that this device is fully charged. If you press it again and hold it for 1.5 seconds, you've got the light on the bottom. And this is the mid setting, so this is the middle brightness. Quick press again, it goes to a dim state. Once again, this is the brightest setting. Press it one more time, which is the 4th time, you've got a strobe light. And then press it the 5th time, you've got the SOS emergency beacon. And hold it down and you'll turn it off. So yeah guys, this will be a good little device to have around the house, especially even if you have a power outage or something. You can just grab this one. This has up to 100 hours of lighting, guys, in the low dim setting on the lowest light, which is still pretty bright. Okay, also I want to show you, as I mentioned at the start of the video on the box, it's got 2 strong magnets underneath this black casing. I'll just quickly show you. I've got this prop tool here. And there you go, that's pretty strong even on the knife edge here. It's still holding on rather well. So there you go. Cover on the top is smooth enough not to damage any paintwork on your car or anything like that, or whatever you're going to magnetize this power bank and LED light. Also in the package you get this little green box which has the little user manual here. Shows you that you get the USB cord, the lifespan of the LED, which is 50,000 hours. The input DC voltage and the output DC voltage, which is the same, 5 volt 2 amp max, dimensions of the product, and a few diagrams. And on the back it shows you another quick start guide, which is also on the box. The USB to micro USB cable. Alright, so I've got this action camera here. You've got the USB to micro USB cable. So it's just a matter of just plugging it in. As you can see, it's started up the camera and is now charging up the camera. And while it's doing that, you've got the power LEDs on all the 4 blue lights there, showing that it's still at full capacity. Okay, I've got my mobile phone here. There you go, charging up my mobile phone. And here I have a little USB LED lamp. And just plug that in for extra lighting, guys, if you want a bit of extra light. And you can also have the other one running. So that's pretty cool. On the highest setting, that's rather bright. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just wait about an hour and I'll test the lamp outside, and then I'll just do a final conclusion on this product, guys. Right guys, the sun's gone down. It's about 9 o'clock at night. So I'm going to test the light. It's the highest brightness. So I'll put my hat cam on, let's have a look. You can clearly see where I'm going. That's on the highest brightness. The strobe light mode. We've got the SOS. Signal for help. There you go, awesome. It's on the medium setting. Still see. It's on the dim setting, the low setting, and the brightest setting. This side of the house is particularly dark. It's nice and bright. So there you go, guys. Pretty decent light, especially if you're outdoors, at a camping site or whatever, or out in the middle of the bush. Out fishing, you can easily change your baits before you cast another line out. So really good. So say if I broke down somewhere on a quiet, lonely, dark road, just stuck this onto my hood. Great magnet, and I can see what's going on. Okay, I'll have to work on the car. Like that. I'll even hook it up. One moment. I can hook it up here to my hood latch. So there you go. You can tinker around and see what's wrong. Do some minor repairs. Alright guys. Well, back to the conclusion now, and I'll end this video. Okay guys, well my conclusion of this camping light and power bank 2-in-1 device, I think for the money, for only $29, I think it's well worth the purchase. As you can see, you can charge up pretty much any USB powered sourced device and have that charging on the go. Have this in your backpack, take it anywhere with you. It is waterproof, fireproof, which is pretty impressive, and I would say it is definitely shockproof. Has a great LED light, 5 different modes. You've got the SOS distress signal included with that, the strobe light, and 3 settings for low, medium and high. So yeah, pretty impressed with this product, guys. I do really like it. I'll be carrying this around for sure from now on. And yeah, be sure to check the description below. Alright guys, so there it is, the LED rechargeable camping lantern and power bank combo. Thanks very much for watching once again, and I'll catch you on the next video.